Hindi daw safe si Cbank at nag-i-scam daw siya. Basahin natin yung comment. Ang sabi ni Madam Aika, hello, na-transfer ako Cbank to BDO pero di ko natanggap yung pera. Nag-email na rin ako kaso nag-reply naman sila. Pero wala pa. Ano pwede kong gawin para mabalik? First time lang nangyari sa akin to, hindi daw talaga safe kay Cbank at nag-i-scam. Mga Madam Damin, bago nyo po sabihin nag-i-scam, make it sure po na meron kayong pruweba. Ang nag-i-scam po is kinukuhanan at hinuhut-hutan po kayo ng pera at hindi na po ibabalik. Cbank po, mga Madam Damin, is a BSP regulated bank and it is insured sa PDIC or Philippine Depository Insurance Corporation. Meaning po insured po yung pera ninyo up to 1 million pesos. Meron po bang scammer na nagpapa-insured? And Cbank po is connected and sister company niya po si Shopee. Shopee is one of the biggest and online shopping dito po sa Pilipinas. At kilala po yan. And I'm sure kilala niyo po si Shopee. Sabi rin ni Madam Aika, nag-email na daw siya kaso wala pa. Try nating puntahan yung ating Cbank app just in case din na ma-experience din natin. Ano po ba ang pwede natin gawin? Okay. Napunta po ako sa chat with Cbank at hinanap ko po itong tanong that the recipient has not yet received the fund I sent. So pindutin nyo lang po yun. I will try to put in the screen po.
At nandito na nga po tayo sa loob ng chat with Cbank. Pinili po natin the recipient has not yet received the fund you sent from the Cbank. And ito nga po yung mga katanungan na pwedeng itanong ni Cbank at sasagutin lang po natin yan based sa ating naging experience. Pero based po kay Cbank, wait lang daw po ng 1 to 2 banking days.
Based on experience, magre-reflect yan maximum na 3 to 5 banking days. So kung sakasakali po na meron pa rin pong problem, you can file a case kay Cbank. Dito lang po sa app na yan, you can file a case and the Cbank team or the customer service will review your concern. Based on my experience po and user din po ako ng Cbank for 2 years now and nagawan ko na rin po yan ng video sa aking YT account last 2 years ago. Kaya masasabi ko pong safe si Cbank kasi talagang based on my experience, satisfy naman niya po yung needs ko when it comes to banking needs. Ang kagandahan talaga sa kanya, may 15 times free transfer siya to other banks, kaya free at makakasave ka. And when it comes sa mga problem po, normal lang din po yung mga problem na ganyan at nangyayari din po yan sa mga ibang bangko. And sometimes we just have to wait for the banking days para po makredit yung account natin. And just in case po na nag-worry pa rin po kayo kay Cbank, you can contact Cbank. Cbank po is a digital bank, wala nga po siyang physical branch. And yes, but you can contact them. Una, you can chat with Cbank dun mismo sa app and you can contact them sa number na yan. Ilalagay ko na lang po sa screen yung number so that you can contact them. I myself na-try ko rin siyang kontakin and it's reachable naman po yung number na yan. Try to reach out yung Cbank just in case may problema po kayo sa kanila so that you can talk to an agent na rin po. Ayan. And just in case hindi pa po kayo nakapag-open ng Cbank, you can open your Cbank Day. Download today via App Store, Play Store. You can use my referral code March26 and you will get 75 pesos as your referral reward. Basta lang po mag-deposit po kayo 1,000 pesos, hold it for 3 days and you can withdraw 1,000 and meron po kayong 75 pesos as referral reward. I hope this video helps you. Follow for more.